Current Affair January 2025. Which country has launched its first domestically developed deep sea exploration ship? Tonsua 3 Exploration 3. China, Japan, Vietnam, India. The correct answer is China has launched first domestically deep sea exploration ship. Two countries have become the full member of the European Union's of Schengen area on January 1, 2025. Cyprus Island, Romania, Bulgaria, Iceland and Cyprus. The correct answer Romania and Bulgaria was the full member of a European Union Schengen area on January 1, 2025. Indian state became the first link forest ecosystem with green GDP. The correct answer Chhattisgarh. It is a central Indian state which was the first to link forest ecosystem with green GDP. Three-phase proposal for a durable peace in the Middle East is divided into stages. The correct answer stages. Three-phase proposal was developed for Middle East peace agreement. The 2025 Israel-Hamas war was ceased and after month in fighting in Gaza. 10, 12, 15 months. The correct answer 15-month Israel-Hamas war was ceasefire. A 2025 ceasefire agreement between Israel and Hamas came into effect. He came in 19 January 2025. Israel-Hamas ceasefire has been done. January 17, 2025, which country officially became a partner country of BRICS members? The Algeria, Cameroon, Nigeria, Kenya. The correct answer Nigeria. Nigeria was that country who became the member of BRICS 17 January 2025. The organization has released Global Cyber Security Outlook 2025 report. IMF, World Economic Forum, UNDP, UNEP. The correct answer World Economic Forum was released the Global Security Outlook 2025 report.